is going on, y'all? It's Manny, the Chattahoochee Castaway. Today we are obviously not on the river. My daughter and I are gonna walk this creek and see if we can catch anything out of here. Get started on this adventure and see if we can pull anything out of here. We just got. You coming? It's low. I see a bunch of bream. We might not even have to walk that way. We could probably walk this way. It's so low. Mistake. Think I got one. Oh, we got a creek bream. Oh, is this a warmouth? Pretty. Look at that, you guys. This is a pretty guy. There you go. Back home he goes. That one? That was a nice. Oh, let me see. You got your little bream. Is that a little pumpkin seed bream?
Pretty.
No, it's not. You got your little bream. Why do you think it was a snag? It's not a snag.
Oh.
Can you get the hook out? There you go.
You can let it go.
A little stinker. He's fanning me. Oh, there he goes. Let's see if we can pull one out of this pocket. There's a tiny one over here that keeps grabbing the tail end of this thing. Summer fish this spot. There's some bream right here, baby. All these cool rocks make me want to look for. Oh, look at this quartz. Clear quartz. Oh, look at this quartz. This quartz is kind of like. It's stuck on a branch. Now I'm gonna leave this quartz here because I have plenty of quartz. Nobody seen that? Nobody heard that? Look at these rocks. So cool. See the berm? There's pumpkin seed right there. Cast into there, but try not to cast into that tree. Look at this tree that's down, y'all. It's pretty cool. It is. Oh. There's a real aggressive brim over here. What is this? Oh, it's the same kind. Gosh, I wish I had my measuring board. Look at that. Beautiful fish. On the brush hog. Glad I finally got him. Thank you, you helped me when you did that. Let me set my pole right here. Let's put you back home, little buddy. Oh, I'm slipping and sliding. Oh, he went behind the stump. All right, y'all. So far, I've caught 2 fish. She's caught 1. We are a little less than halfway done with the creek. So let's get back out there and see if we can find any more. There's a yellow jacket. I don't want anything to do with him. Summer, be careful when you're coming through here. Let's see if anything's in this pocket. Brim. Little brim. Summer, they're brim in this pocket. It would be so... Oh, look at this quartz. I do not have anything to put this in. That is a beautiful quartz, though. Look at that. Actually, I do. I'm gonna put it in my bag. And I'm gonna hope that it doesn't rip my bag. That's a beautiful quartz. It would be so cool to find an arrowhead there. I know they're here. Oh, you hear the cardinal? What's that red thing? Go under that tree, yes. Go under that tree. What do we got? What do we have? We have a bass. Yes, finally. We got a creek bass, y'all. It's a nice one too. Oh my gosh. Look at this nice creek bass. Wow. Whoa. Awesome. Summer, look at this bass. Holy. This is a nice bass from the creek. Hold on. I want it to be clear. There you go. That's a nice one.
That was a good one.
Wow, I was not expecting that to come out of here. Let's walk through here and come back. Spiders are everywhere. All right, y'all, now we have added a bass to the list. We walked up creek and got to the end. We didn't have any more luck, so now we're making our way back to the truck and hopefully we can catch at least one more fish. Oh, there went a bream. I said that went a bream. That's a baby. You got it? Thankfully. Let me see, it's pretty.
Oh, poor thing.
Show them. Let's see. That's a beautiful bream. Do you need help?
Yes. I'm not very good with treble hooks.
Yeah, me neither, and I dropped my pliers. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Oh, I got it.
Good job.
Almost got it. Got it. You wanna let him go?
Of course. Here.
Uh-uh. His mouth is big enough. Got him?
Yeah.
Don't hook me. Alright, y'all, so she was able to catch another bream to show y'all, but other than that, we have not caught anything. We are almost back to the truck, so we're gonna call it a day. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next adventure.